This is Chamorro History in a Minute from Fanatsu. For Chamorro parents, it is common to warn your kids about the dangers of bathing at night and going to sleep with wet hair. According to legend, the child might wake up the next morning with their appearance dramatically altered. A long time ago, a young Chamorro girl asked her mother if she could take a bath. Seeing as how it was already getting late, her mother told her not to do it. She also warned her that if she would get sick if she went to bed with her hair still wet. The girl ignored her mother and took a bath anyways. As a result, her hair became very wet, and she was unable to get it completely dry before heading off to bed. The next morning, when the girl awakened, she was horrified to find that she now had a crooked finger, a crooked neck, and a flat nose. Since that time, Chamorro children have been warned not to go to bed with wet hair.